This is Lorena, and I wanted to do a doodle challenge for you again. Yes, some of you have been asking me if I will start the doodle challenge, so I thought I would start it today. And I also wanted to kind of combine the word of the month with this doodle challenge. If you're new to my channel, you don't probably know what a doodle challenge is. The doodle challenge is that you sit for a little bit and do a paper doodle, and I will give the prompt today of what the doodle will look like, and you practice on a piece of paper this doodle, and then after you've practiced a while and you're comfortable doing it, you turn around and you do this doodle on your domestic sewing machine or on your long arm quilting. I'm going to do 2 other videos of me doing this exact doodle on my domestic sewing machine, which I'm not very good at, and then go ahead and get this doodle and go on my long arm. When I do the doodle on my long arm, I am going to do it on a banner that I made, and that's where the word of the month comes into play. Okay, so I'm going to show you what the banner looks like. The word of the month is masterpiece. One of the reasons why I do these word of the months and doodles is because it makes me meditate on a specific word, kind of look it up, research it, and also kind of implement it into the month of April and some into the month of May. So masterpiece is the word. That means you need to look at yourself as a masterpiece and look at the things that you do as masterpieces, and also not be so self-defeating and critical of yourself, because you're a masterpiece, and everything you do, if you do it with the right heart and right intentions, they can be masterpieces. Yeah. So that's how I'm going to use this word, kind of meditate. One of you on my Facebook group asked me to do the word of the month, and she said she wanted to do the word masterpiece. So I'm honoring, what she asked me. If you want to participate in this challenge, you're going to have to join Lorena's Quilting Facebook group and post a picture of your drawn doodle, and also to send me a picture of your sewn doodle, either on your sewing machine or your long arm, whichever you prefer. And then at the end of this month, I do a giveaway, or I bless you with a notion or some fabric, and I bless someone who participated with a gift. Yes, we have to participate. So the doodle of this month is going to be coin feathers. Initially, I wanted it to make it like just into like a coin. And so I'm going to show some clips of me doing this doodle where it's just not necessarily pebbles, but it's a coin, something a little bit bigger like a dime or a nickel. You're going to do circles, and inside those circles you can doodle whatever you want in it. You can do waves, you can do you could do a triangle, you can also do like a cat eye looking coin. It's whatever you wanted to do. You could also just do this doodle and draw lines within the coin. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is a doodle. If you want to make it what I want to make, it's called a coin feather. So in this clip, I'm going to share that I go ahead and I turn a coin, and sometimes I do a couple loops back and forth, and then I add feathers all the way around it. Now you can do this feather this way, where you add feathers all the way around, which look beautiful, and then you echo, and then you repeat the process. Or you can do this coin feather where you kind of just put feathers halfway around it or 2/3 around it, and then echo and restart doing a new coin feather. That's why I call them coins, because it's more circular and you put feathers all the way around it. Now this becomes a very beautiful and elegant fill when you do this on a banner or on a piece of fabric. Now if you're a beginner, if you're new, I just recommend that you do a coin and you put whatever fill or design that you want. It doesn't have to be exactly my design. It's yours. All you have to do is just send me a picture on Lorena's Quilting Facebook group of the doodle and of the sewn item. All right, I appreciate you, and I thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in and I hope you like this video on my coin feathers or coins. It's whatever you guys feel more comfortable. This is mainly to get us to practice and, yeah, to get some participation. All right, I really do thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye.